The Jeep Patriot uses a dual-stage hood release system for safety. This requires two separate actions to fully open the hood. Step 1. Locate the interior hood release lever. This lever is positioned on the left side of the driver's footwell, near the parking brake pedal. Step 2. Exit the vehicle and locate the safety latch. This latch is positioned slightly left of center when facing the front of the vehicle. Step 3. Secure the hood with the prop rod. The hood prop rod is located on the right side of the engine bay. Lift the rod and insert it into the designated support hole in the hood. Remember, always pull the interior lever first, then release the safety latch, and finally secure the hood with the prop rod. This dual-stage system ensures safe hood operation on your Jeep Patriot. Proper maintenance prevents most hood latch problems. The most important step is lubricating your hood latch mechanism with white lithium grease every 6 months. Use white lithium grease specifically, as it provides long-lasting protection and won't attract dirt like other lubricants. Apply it to both the interior release mechanism and the underhood safety latch. Now let's look at common problems you might encounter and how to troubleshoot them. The most common issue is a loose or unresponsive interior release lever. This usually indicates the cable needs adjustment or replacement, typically costing between $75 and $150. If the hood won't release after pulling the interior lever, try manually manipulating the safety latch under the hood while applying some lubricant to free up the mechanism. Corrosion is particularly problematic in regions where road salt is used during winter. Regular inspection and treatment can prevent costly repairs down the road. Let's examine the actual latch hardware components to better understand how these mechanisms work. These are the actual latch mechanisms and hardware components. Understanding how they work helps you identify when replacement parts are needed versus simple maintenance. Remember these important safety tips. Never force the hood if you feel resistance. Always support the hood properly with the prop rod, and if problems persist, consult a professional mechanic rather than risk damage to the mechanism.